Can y'all hear that noise? These people been here all day making this damn noise. All day. This is day 68 of the quarantine, and they been here making this noise all day. I'm going to see what they doing. Let's see. What are they doing? Now them dummies down there making noise. Let me see. What in the world? Y'all see that? What is y'all doing? What is y'all doing?
Trying to clean up some oil.
Oil from where?
We don't know. Just showed up.
Ain't nobody putting no oil down there. Lord have mercy. Is that oil or mud?
A little bit of both. So we're trying to get the most of the oil up we can. So,
What you gonna do with it?
we're going to dispose of it. Something, I don't know where we take it to.
Alright. It's day 68 of the quarantine. Alright, well I guess I should say thank you then.
Sorry for the noise and everything.
Oh Lord. I'm about to have a heart attack. Alright. Day 68 of the quarantine. Y'all stay healthy and stay blessed. And I'm out.